Hi, Greg, and everyone there at Douglas Electrical Components. My name is Charles, and you spoke to my colleague yesterday, Randy. And here's the video that we promised to send you. It is a video showing you 3 tips to help optimize your website. You can take these tips and use them, give them to your website person or SEO person if you have one. Or if you like what you see and you want to discuss further partnering, please, you can get in touch with me. I'll put my number up at the end of this video. So the 3 tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So you might ask, why am I doing this? First of all, I know that business owners today are too busy to actually optimize their websites for Google, and sometimes the knowledge out there is so much, and so many different SEO experts who don't do a full good job for their clients. I just wanted to prove myself by giving you 3 tips that you can go ahead and implement for yourself. So content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. Content is everything on your front page. Every text, image, the words behind the images, even what you save the images as. For example, here we go. All this is content. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text, which means that you should have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text. I think you have about probably 600 to 700 words. So to increase them, make it more authoritative, showing exactly what you do, exactly who you are, your locations that you operate, and also disperse or saturate it with keywords. Keywords are the phrases people would search, would type into Google to search for your business. If they did not know your name and they were looking for electrical components, say in Arizona, I would a, a typical search would be electrical components in Arizona. This would be a keyword. So if you could saturate your website with these buyer intent keywords, Google will know to put you at the front of those kind of searches. Second thing I want to talk about are citations. Let's go back to that Google search. Now, once a search keyword has been, especially if it's buyer intent with a location, once that's been typed into Google, what you first see here is the map pack. Sometimes the ads, Google ads before this, but this is known as the map pack. Map with 3 companies here. How do you get yourself ranking up here? Well, that all comes down to citations. The more citations you have, and the more authoritative ones that they are, the higher you rank in this map pack. When I say citations, I mean anywhere in any directory across the internet that your name, address, and phone number are listed. Now, in different directories. So directories like Dexnos, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, LinkedIn, etc. I don't know why I'm blanking out, but whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. The more higher quality directories you're in, the higher you'll rank in this area here. Now, there are tools out there that you can analyze your competition and find out what directories they're in, and then duplicate that. But since this is business and you want to actually be ahead of your competitors, I would add maybe 50 to 100 more than what your top competitor has. Last part I want to talk about is backlinks, and that has to do with the area of the search page that is below the map pack. These are the organic search results. Now, how do you link here? How do you get to rank here? Well, it comes down to a lot of it comes down to backlinks, content and citation as well, but mostly backlinks. So what is a backlink? If you imagine the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is a link that's on a different web page pointing towards your website, any page on your website. So say if there was an electric component exhibition and they had a blog going in Philadelphia, and they wrote a blog about you, about your product, and linked it to your page, That would be a strong backlink. It's within the same niche, and it's directly pointing to you. A weak backlink would be something like, say, an Arby's posting or having a blog and writing about your company, because you guys do not do the same. You do not do the same thing. Um, you're not in the same niche. Now, unless he's reviewing your work that you've done, but if it's just a random blog from a random Arby's, it wouldn't count much, and Google will see that as spammy. So, if you research, there are tools out there to research backlinks from your competitors. If you make sure you have the same amount of backlinks and even higher quality backlinks, and then once again, because we're in business, you want to stay ahead, so you increase them by 50 or 100 more than your competitors. That means Google will be bringing you up in all these kinds of searches, and which will increase the traffic to your website. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Greg, I thank you for watching this. If you want to work together in helping you get more clients through your asset here, your website, please let me know. I work with Warley Digital. This is my email address right here, and phone number is up here on the top left. Thanks once again, and have a great rest of your day.